Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Equipment Remarket. I'm going to give you a video here of a nice 2014 Moffett sitting here showing 1,837 hours. Now, this thing has a 10-foot mast, a backrest, and brick and block forks. If you want pallet forks, we can switch that out for free. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this thing has been completely repainted and refurbished. When we repaint these, we take off the roll cage. Many of these covers take off. Also, the battery cover, the manifold, the hydraulic manifold cover, the roll cage, front, the back door, the hood, this diamond plating, the seat. Those parts, as you can see, like this gray part was also removed. What we do is we paint these things separately so that way we get a nice finish all in between everything, and we put it back together. That way you can have a long-lasting finish. We also pressure and leak test this. What we do is we look for anything leaking, such as the hoses or the cylinders, the wheel motors. Make sure your hydraulic pump is nice and strong. We also look for wearable items such as pins, bushings, mast chains, bearings, rollers, anything of that matter that's wearable. We go ahead, if we find it to be out of spec, it's replaced, ladies and gentlemen. We're so confident of this refurbishment process, what we'll do is give you an operational guarantee. It's going to be in the condition I've shown you here today in this video, and you can check out the pictures. If it's not the way we've said, we're going to back you up, help you get it fixed. Now, this Kubota engine's backed up for 30 days. So your operational guarantee is extremely short term. Just when it shows up, now it's going to hit the ground running for you. Be the way I've said here, or you're going to get help. Otherwise, you're done. But then this Kubota engine here, this V2203, it's backed up for another 30 days by us. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you're really going to like this thing. It looks so nice. We're outside, it glistens right in the sun. It even has all new decals. Now we're going to go ahead and fire it up. We're going to show you how she runs. And we're going to show you a little bit of operations, give you a special treat. Hear that Kubota engine come to life. Now we're going to give you some mast operations. Here's your mast going up and down. We have yourself tilt, side shift. We have outriggers. We have the mast going in and out. We'll even show you a little bit of it driving around here in our barn. All your motors are in sync. You have brand new tires all the way around. All your lights are operational. You have your backup alarm, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're going to go ahead and tell you, you just give us a call, 260-238-4998. 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com. That's 99lifts.com. Thanks for checking out this video. You have a blessed day.